Today, we'll explore 30 fun vegetables. Some grow underground, like potatoes and carrots, while others reach for the sun, like broccoli and kale. In this garden, we'll see bees, butterflies, and a friendly farmer. Are you ready? Let's begin. Swiss chard, a leafy vegetable with red, yellow, or white stems. Grows in cool climates, high in fiber and vitamins A and K, supporting heart health and digestion. Arugula, small, dark green leaves with a peppery taste. Grows in mild climates, packed with antioxidants and vitamins C and K, supports digestion and bone health. Mustard greens, dark green, curly leaves with a spicy flavor. Thrives in cool climates, high in fiber and vitamin K, good for bones and immunity. Endive, light green, curly leaves with a slightly bitter taste. Grows in cool weather, aids digestion, and improves gut health with fiber and probiotics. Collard greens, large, dark green leaves with a sturdy texture. Grows in warm climates, rich in calcium and vitamin C, strengthens bones and immunity. Dandelion greens, thin, jagged green leaves with a slightly bitter taste. Grows in meadows and gardens, detoxifies the liver and improves digestion. Parsnip, a long, white root vegetable, similar to a carrot. Grows underground in cool climates, high in fiber and vitamin C, boosts digestion and immunity. Jerusalem artichoke, a small, knobby root with light brown skin. Grows underground in mild climates, supports gut health and energy levels. Yam, a starchy, tuberous root with brown skin and orange flesh. Grows in tropical regions, high in fiber and vitamin A, supports vision and digestion. Cassava, a long, rough-skinned tuber with white flesh. Grows in tropical climates, rich in carbohydrates and provides energy. Taro, a round, brown-skinned root with purple speckled flesh. Grows in wetland areas, high in fiber, supports digestion and brain function. Kohlrabi, a round, purple or green vegetable with leafy stems. Grows in cool climates, high in vitamin C, good for immunity and digestion. Spring onion, a young onion with a white bulb and long green stalks. Grows in mild climates, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, boosts immunity. Elephant garlic, a large garlic variety with mild flavor. Grows underground in cool climates, strengthens immunity and heart health. Ramp, wild leek, a wild-growing plant with green leaves and a garlic onion flavor. Found in forests, detoxifies the body and supports heart health. Chickpea, small, round, beige-colored legumes. Grows in dry climates, rich in protein and fiber, boosts energy and muscle growth. Fava bean, large, green beans inside thick pods. Grows in cool climates, packed with protein, supports brain and heart health. Black bean, small, shiny black beans. Grows in warm climates, high in fiber and protein, improves digestion and supports muscles. Cherry tomato, small, round, red or yellow tomatoes. Grows on vines in warm climates, high in vitamin C and antioxidants, good for skin and immunity. Okra, green, finger-shaped vegetable with a slimy texture inside. Grows in warm climates, rich in fiber and vitamins, supports digestion. Bitter melon, green, wrinkled fruit with a bitter taste. Grows on vines in warm climates, helps regulate blood sugar and supports digestion. Tomatillo, small, green fruit covered in a papery husk. Grows on vines in warm climates, high in vitamin C, good for skin and immune health. Ghost pepper, small, red, extremely spicy pepper. Grows in tropical regions, boosts metabolism and improves circulation. Habanero pepper, orange or red chili pepper with a strong heat. Grows in warm climates, improves digestion and boosts metabolism. Fennel, a bulbous vegetable with feathery green leaves. Grows in mild climates, improves digestion and reduces inflammation. Artichoke, a large, green, flower-like vegetable with edible leaves. Grows in warm climates, rich in antioxidants, supports heart health. Bamboo shoot, young, tender bamboo stalks used in cooking. Grows in humid climates, high in fiber, supports digestion. Lotus root, a long, brown root with a hollow structure inside. Grows in water, high in fiber and vitamin C, supports blood circulation. Water chestnut, a crunchy, round, brown tuber that grows in water. Grows in wetlands, supports hydration and digestion. Broccolini, a cross between broccoli and Chinese kale, with long, tender stalks and small florets. Grows in mild climates, rich in vitamins and fiber, supports bone health. Congratulations! You explored 30 vegetables. Which one is your favorite, carrots, broccoli, or tomatoes? Learning about veggies helps you grow strong and healthy. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. See you next time.